What's up, internet marketer? It's Ike Paz, and this is me up a mountain in a bamboo forest looking for takenoko. This is a perfect metaphor when you're thinking about looking for a niche online. So I'm in a bamboo forest amongst these long bamboo stalks, knowing that there's baby bamboo, or in our world, in our situation, tiny niches that I can exploit, right? But because it's a market, I know there are sub niches. So how do you find these takenoko? Well, you stomp your feet on the ground. Okay, you stomp your feet on the ground until you find, or you hit a stem. Okay, once you hit that stem, you dig it out, and I actually found takenoko. I'm going to show you what it looks like over here. So if I go down here and I show you right there, that's a takenoko. I'm going to use this tool to dig her out, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, okay? So this is what takenoko looks like once you pull it out of the ground. Okay, I had to get off the mountain a little bit earlier than expected. It was getting dark and it got extremely windy, and I couldn't film anything. I mean, the audio was crap. So I had to get off. Plus, at night, all of the creepy crawlers come out. There's a type of snake here called a mamushi. It's really venomous and dangerous. Plus, there's a wild boar, which at night become a problem. So I picked about 5 or 6, I believe. I picked a lot during the windstorm. And then I took them down and I boiled them, I processed them, and this is what happened. So yeah, this is the takenoko, and what you do is, to process it, to take away the bitterness and to make it much softer, you want to boil it in water with so you got rice, right? This is not rice, but this is like rice shells, processed rice shells. So when you process rice, you know from brown to white rice, you have like the shelling of the rice. So you process that, and you use that leftover shell to boil it with the takenoko, or the bamboo shoot. So like I said, you gotta boil this for like 5 or 6 hours, and then once it's done, you wait until it cools and you start peeling it away, and you get this. And it's, this is another reason why it's so expensive. The processing bit is a pain. So all this we're not eating, right? So we gotta peel away until the meat of the takenoko, of the bamboo shoot.
We gotta cut down here.
You gotta cut down. Why don't you rip it open? That's it?
Yeah.
Wait. What do we eat here?
We can eat here.
That's it, right?
Yeah. Because this one is still hard.
All that work for this?
That's right. Here, it's tasty.
Well, so we only eat this part here. Yeah. This part.
Right?
This part too. Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so this is the end result. It's stir-fried bamboo shoot, or takenoko. These yellow guys right here. Not, that's chicken, right? There you are. Here we go. This is what we picked from the ground in the mountain. Boiled it, processed it with the rice shells, and then we stir fry it. Okay, there we go. So I hope you liked my takenoko experience. How many times have I said that word takenoko? I'm getting sick of it. Hope you liked my takenoko experience. If you're upset because, well, this is not a farming channel, this is an internet marketing channel, I'm sorry. I just hope you saw the connection there between big markets and finding those sub niches within those big markets, right? That bamboo forest, think of it as weight loss. And think of these takenoko like, for example, one takenoko could be keto diet recipes. Another one can be exercise, calisthenics for weight loss. Very specific words that give you access to these bigger markets. Okay, it's simple as that. Okay, and you do this all the time. You can do it on other people's platforms like Amazon, like Etsy, or if you don't want to build your own site. I recommend doing both. Okay, I have my own sites, plus I also take advantage of these platforms with this built-in traffic. And that leads me to my gift, my 4 or 5 part course on creating KDP low content books. If you don't know what it is, I'm gonna give you access to it right now. So check this out.